Okay, it's going.
Ready?
Okay, I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna do it. Hold the camera. Oh my god!
Can you do that?
Did I break my elbow trying to flip off one of those things?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I fucking touched the ground. Are you taking a video or a picture?
It's a video.
Very acrobatic.
Oh, it's still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Can you do it?
No, I can pull myself up.
You can't like do flip offs or anything?
No, I'm scared.
I can.
I'm not aerobatic, whatever.
Acrobatic?
Yeah.
Observe. Observe.
Observe.
Okay, observing.
Okay. It's not that hard, look. I should make a YouTube video out of this. It's not that hard.
I used to be able to do it, but now I'm scared because I broke my elbow.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.